Take half kg of clean chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of pepper powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder, pinch of salt, add 2 tablespoon of curd, mix it well. After mixing, squeeze half lemon. Mix it and marinate this for 30 minutes. Now add oil to a tawa. Shallow fry the marinated chicken. Fry the chicken in low flame. Flip this to another side. After chicken cooks well, take it out. Next, to a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of finely chopped onion. Fry the onion for 2 minutes. After frying, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 cup of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala. Add salt as per your taste. Add half teaspoon of fennel seeds. Mix it well and saute this for 2 minutes. After the raw smell goes, add fried chicken. Mix it well. Add half cup of water. Take half teaspoon of kasturi methi and sprinkle it over this. Now close the lid and cook it in low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and sprinkle coriander leaves, mix it gently and switch off the gas. Tasty chicken tikka masala is ready to serve. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our channel.